Alright, so today we're at Grant's Picnic Ground on Sherbrooke in Kallista, and we're going to do some bird feeding, but it's only available for the next couple of days. It's been going for 50 years, but it's now going to be banned by Parks Victoria. I'll explain a little bit more as we go, but let's go
bird watching.
Bird watching. Alright, so as I mentioned, they're actually going to be banning feeding the birds as of Tuesday. At the end of Tuesday is going to be the last day, and part of the reason for that is because the soft-crested cockatoos have basically inundated the area, and the locals have been complaining because they're basically chewing their verandas and etc. So, and pushing out the local birds, so it's not good for the local the more native birds. Alright, so as you can see, most of the birds here are soft-crested cockatoos, and most of the native birds have been basically pushed out, and that's part of the reason why Parks Victoria is basically banning the feeding. So as of midnight Tuesday will be the last day that you can actually feed the birds.
Ouch! Yes, well, anyway, that was nice to see all the birds, but there wasn't that many there today. Anyway, but it was good because they gave me a little memento, one cut finger. Anyway, let's go to the cafe now because I think I need a coffee and some vanilla slice, which they're very famous for here.
So after eating those massive vanilla slices, we've decided to go for a bit of a walk. So this is a short walk. It's about 700 metres through the forest here. So we're going to go and have a look and try and burn off some of those calories. Alright, so I didn't burn enough calories in that last walk, so we're going to do the second walk. There's 3 walks you can do in total, 1 long one, 2 shorter ones, so we're just going to do 2 shorter ones today, that's all we've got time for, but try and burn some more calories. So as of Wednesday the 12th of December 2020, you'll no longer be able to feed the birds here, and there's something like a $1,650 fine if you do get caught. Having said that, there's as you can see, there's a nice little cafeteria bistro area, and there's a couple of really nice walks and some really nice little picnic areas around here, so there's still a lot of stuff to do. So come down, support the local community. I hope you enjoy it.